Well, since my appointment as Minister for Infrastructure, this is the first occasion I'm visiting the West, primarily to meet with the staff of the ministry and get some visibility over what they're doing, and in some places have a look at the areas that we are responsible for. So that is primarily the reason for my visit. It's been short, and and I've learned quite a lot during these last few days. I think in the places that I visited, it has not been so much about what the staff has raised, but an opportunity really for me to meet with them and to thank them for the work that they're doing, and encourage them, and also give them, some guidance and in terms of the expectations that that I have, of them as being the minister responsible for infrastructure. And but it's been very well received in the places that I visited, and I've met as many of the staff as possible. And I think there's been a general air of for my visit. So, and I hope I can do this, many more times. Yeah. We on the first day we came to Tuvu, went to Tuvu in Malosa, and that was to commission, the extension of the grid, and providing power to 3 other villages, including and one other mission, the mission station. Obviously, people are very happy. They're getting all lit up now at night, and being able to use electricity, for the benefit of their family. Also, we, today we came down to Navala, and that was really to look at the road leading to the village, and made some decisions on that, and to also tell the villagers there about the extension of the grid, and that there will be, FEA is going to be bringing power there around about March, April. And look at some other issues and hear some issues and grievances raised by other people, and not only for my ministry but government in general. So we will be relaying those information to the ministers and ministries concerned. The purpose really, at the outset now for me is to try and know who are in the ministry, those that are doing the work for me, and then from then on, concentrate on the work that they're doing. Most Itoke, Itoke associate themselves with Nakovan, right? They refer to this place as the head of the Ulunda. Legend says we all came from here, and from then on, from here we inhabited the rest of the islands, and it's quite significant in the sense. But I think on this occasion it's meaningful for us because we've come right up to the top and witnessing for us the difficulty that the people face here, primarily for roads, on roads. You saw, what it was like coming up here. So they're living in very, very difficult conditions, and we hope to be able to, to do something about it and make their enlighten their burden, particularly in trying to make a better road for them. So apart from this being a historical event, but it's as I told the villagers, it's a measure of government's commitment, and this is nothing new. We for everybody, as we are for all races, and as we are also for people who live in Suva, or in the island, or up in the hills. And we try and do our best to meet their needs. And on this occasion we're here, given the specific request for us to come. And we have learned a lot, and hopefully that we're going to go back and do something quickly about their needs over here.